Good evening. In the last video, we have covered text filters in Power BI. So let's start our new topic. But before that, we will do practice for the last lecture. First, we upload the data. File name is sales data. Select the sheet. Click on load button. It will take few seconds to upload the data in Power BI desktop. So here, as we saw in the last video, we can find the filters on visuals on the same page, filters on all the pages, and drill through filters, and then we can divide these filters into some other types such as date filters, text filters, and number filters. On right hand side you can find the columns. Column names are called company, date, model, price. So you have to select table first. First we add column company and then price. When you click on this filter, you can find filter type as a basic filtering, advanced filtering, and top end. Basic filtering we can select as per our requirement. Here I have selected this 5 companies data. So here you can see the total for these 5 companies. It's depend on you how to select or how many option you want to select for data visualization. So this is the basic filtering. You can find this option in Excel also. Then we can see top end filtering. First we clear the data, clear the filter, and then you can select top end filtering. Here if I want to select top 5 companies as per the sales, then you have to just add sum of price in the value by value box and apply filter. So here top 5 companies as per our data set. Similarly we can find bottom 5 companies as per the data set. Click on apply filter. Here these are the 5 companies who has sales in the bottom. Here clear filter. Then we have next option, advanced filtering. Here you can find these options. Here contains, does not contain, etc. Suppose I want to find the data starts with L, then click on apply filter, and here we have 2 companies whose name start with L word, L letter. Similarly also you can see the company whose name contains B word. Just apply filter, and here you can find, or you can easily filter the data as per your requirement. So this is the way, or these are the few examples of text filter. Next is next topic is the date filters. For that you have to add date here and price column. So now we have date in the form of year, quarter, month, and day, and respective sales price. So here you can find different filters. Here you have to click on this arrow and you can check basic filtering. If I select data for 2020, then we can easily find data only for 2020. Similarly, we can clear the filter here. For quarter wise also we can, if we want to see quarter one data, here quarter one data for year 2020 and 2021, clear filter. Month, if I want to see data for February month, so here data for February month, clear filter. And day wise, for basic filtering, if I want to see data for third day of the every month, so here we can easily filter the data as per our requirement. So this is the use of basic filtering in date data type. Use clear filter button to clear the filter. Suppose in the year I want to apply top in function or top in filter. I want to find top 5 as per the price, and if I click on apply filter, so it's not possible to apply filter type top n because we have already divided data as per the year, quarter, month, and day. So we have a solution for this. Here in the column section you have to right click and you have to change date hierarchy to date. Now data is in the one format. In a single row you can find 2nd January 2020, 3rd January 2020. Now you can apply top in filter on date. So if I select top in and then 5 and by value box, I am going to add some of price and just click on apply filter. Now you will get your expected result here. As per the result, these are the dates: 8 November 2020, 10th November 2021. We got maximum sales here. Similarly, you can clear the filter here. So this is the way we can apply top end filter in the data type. Here we have extra one option, advanced filtering and relative date and relative time. So here we have relative date, we don't have time in our data set, so we can check with relative date, and advanced filtering is also remaining. First we check with the relative date. If we select the relative date, you can find show items when the value. So here we have options here. Here we can select years. So here I want to filter the data from last 3 years. Just click on apply filter. If I click on apply filter, it shows data from 17 November. Similarly, if I select 4 and just apply filter, then it shows data from 17 November 2020. So this is the reference. Here you can change the option is in the last, is in this, and is in the next. So we can check the past data or future data, but we have a limited data set. We have the data for 2020 and 2021, so we can only check for past data. So here also you can check day wise, week wise, calendar weeks, quarter wise, and years wise data as per your requirement. So this is the use of relative date. This is especially, this filter is for date data type. Similar option, you can clear the data here, and then advanced filtering. So here also you can check here. You can compare the date value here, is not, is after, is before, is blank, is not blank. So these are all the options you can check here. If I want to check data is before, March. So here I have selected the date 1 March 2021. So I want to see the data before this date. Just click on apply filter. So here you can find the data before 1st of March 2021. Similarly, if I want to see data after 1 March 2021, then you can find here data start with 3rd of March 2021 and end with 31 December 2021. So these are the options. You can check one by one all the options, and these are the actually date filters in more way. So we have covered all this top end, relative date, basic filtering, advanced filtering, and if you have relative time in your dataset, you can also check that part in the filter section. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, share with your friends. Thank you.